There's the snake, look.
잠시 후
There's the
좌회전입니다.
snake.
이어서 좌회전입니다.
There is the
엄마,
snake. Yes.
이거 했는데 그래도 뜨거워.
알았어. 이제 다 도착했으니까 기다려요. We are here now. We're going to the parking space. Here we are here now.
뱀!
잠시
There's
후
the snake.
좌회전입니다. 이어서 목적지 부근입니다.
There is the snake now, 한준. We are going to the parking space.
저긴
Tugin, what is it?
저기다.
What is in there?
저기 너가 가는 거.
자주 왔잖아, 한준. You usually come here. No, this is the first time you come in spring. Now is spring. We are going. Mas lalong gumanda. Yearly, hindi yearly, kundi seasonal yata ang pagpapaganda. Itong anak ko to, yung mapa, yung catalog, gustong tingnan. Lahat pupuntahan daw. Maganda, is spring. Lahat kasi napunta namin, usually summer, autumn, at saka winter. Ngayon, first time namin napunta dito na spring. What is in there? What is it? What is it? I cannot see. I cannot see where.
여기 얼굴은 뭐야?
Ah, there. Oh, there's the face.
근데 가짜 같은데 가짜.
Where? I cannot see, Hanjun. Where?
지금 움직였어.
Oh, there.
야 여기.
You wait for mommy. I cannot see where. Oh. Do you like the snakes, Hanjun? I don't like the snakes.
숨어 있는 거 같아.
Where? Can you find the snake here?
저기 있다.
Where?
저기 보여.
Ang galing ng mga mata ng mga to. Nandun pala. There. I can see that one here. Ayun mga snake yan.
여기 있다.
Ito.
여기도.
Lahat.
여기도
Yan.
있네.
Oh, yes, there. And here, can you find the snake here? Where's the snake here?
저기 있다.
Ah, there. Where is it? Ayun. Oh, this is a frog. It's in the water.
저기.
Oh, there you have two frogs. Oh, lots of frogs. So many.
저기도 있네.
What is that? Amphibians. Oh, those ones. Yes.
저기 있다. 자.
Where? Oh,
여기
it's
너무
very
작아.
little. Yes.
귀엽다.
귀엽다고?
저기 있다.
There's a big one. What is it?
여기 뭐.
Where is the turtle? Oh, there's the turtle. Oh, there. How many turtles? You have lots of turtles now. Yes, you have lots of turtles. How many?
세븐.
7 turtles?
엄마 여기 안 와.
There's the bone of the snake. Yes, there's the bone of the snake. Up there, not where are you going? It's here, there, second floor. Second floor, Hanjun, here. There. Jun. Takbuhan tong dalawa. There you go, in there in the middle. Snakes. Those are still snakes. What is it? The white snake? Oh, white. Mga snake pa rin dito. You cannot find the snake here? What is in here? It's a event one. Oh yes, you say it's not types of snakes pa rin ang nasa loob na yan. Sanay na yung dalawa. Alam na kung saan na pupuntahan. Iniwan na ang nanay. Oh, ang ganda ng antorium nila. namulaklak. Hindi ko to nakita last year na namulaklak. Walking safari. Takbuhan na itong dalawa. Oh, be careful! What is in there?
나도 알아. 그런데 여기 죽은 나비가 있는데.
That's okay. What is this one? Oh, another snake na naman.
여기 발렸어.
Yan, different types of reptiles. Ang mga nandito. Ewan ko itong dalawa ito. Gustong gusto. Yung lizard. Lizard pala yung nandoon. Yun. Types of lizard pala yung mga nandito. Ay, snake pa rin. May snake na ko. Nakita ko doon. What is it? Oh, another snake on top. Oh, ayan oh. Tabtabaan ang tawag namin yan dati. Kahit putulin mo ang ang tail niya nabubuhay. I don't know what is that. It is tiger salamander.
저기 안에.
Lahat yan. Hanggang doon. Medyo nag-improve. Seasonal. Go and see the crocodile and anaconda.
엄마 그거 받은 거 어디 있어?
What is it?
받은 거 그거.
Oh, the catalog?
그거.
The catalog?
응.
It's in the bag, but that's okay. Let's go first to the anaconda. What is in there? Anaconda. That's the anaconda. Oh, it's long. They call that the anaconda. Oh, how many snakes, hon? Have 2 snakes. It's called as the anaconda. Oh, the crocodile is there. Hmm?
받은 거야?
You see, you can read. It's a bag. That's a bag.
공룡 트럭?
Oh, it's a dinosaur track.
공룡 트럭이네.
Yes. Mga tokens na laro.
로봇대로.
So which one? Oh, you're not going to get one and one? I'll be getting, see,
이거 타요도 있는데?
I'll be getting this one.
엄마 이거 가져와도 돼?
Yes, one. One only? How about Han? No? May upuan pa na may lilim. Yung umbrella niya. Pwede rin, pag uupo ka dun, pwede mong yopin yung umbrella.